everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a really easy way to take off your makeup. This method is all natural and you don't need to buy anything for this. You probably have all of these ingredients in your kitchen already. So whether you like to wear a little or a lot of makeup, you know that it's really important to take it all off before you go to bed, because even the tiniest bit of makeup on your skin can lead to clogged pores, it can cause breakouts, and it can result in really unhealthy skin. And this method not only removes your makeup but also cares for your skin. So what you get is a makeup free skin and also that extra healthy radiant glow. So if you want to know what are these ingredients and what I'm using to take off my makeup and make my skin glow, make sure you watch the whole of this video. But before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also turn on that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a video, and make sure you hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Now let's straight take off this face of makeup that I have going on. I have a full-on matte lipstick, I do have a winged eyeliner, I have some base makeup, I've done my eyebrows. So yeah, it's pretty much an almost full face of makeup that I have going on. Now the first thing that you need for this is olive oil and cotton pads. Make sure you're using good quality olive oil because this is for your skin. Try and stick to extra virgin olive oil as much as possible. If you can, then go in for the organic one. Make sure your olive oil doesn't have any mineral oil, parabens, sulfates, nothing of those sort. It is absolutely safe to use olive oil on your skin. Some people with oily skin feel that it can add to the oil, but olive oil is extremely good for skin. It in fact balances out the natural oils of your skin and it doesn't even clog pores. So you don't need any expensive fancy makeup removing oils for your skin. You can just stick to natural olive oil. What I like to do is take a little bit of olive oil in my palm, and the first thing that I usually like to take off is my lip color. I like to use my finger and just start using the oil on top of the product. That is a lipstick. The good thing is that olive oil also naturally keeps your lips supple and soft. So it's almost like a 2-in-1 treatment while you're using these products. Once I'm done massaging, I just like to take the cotton pad and start wiping it off. And that is a whole cotton full of matte lipstick. If your matte lipstick is too heavy, like it's one of those really bright reds or bright pinks, or it's a really dark shade, then you can do this a second time as well, just so that your lips get some extra TLC and you're making sure all the color and the staining is off. But I think today I'm okay, so most of the color is off. And I think we can move on to the eyes now. For the eyes, again I take like a couple of drops, and I like to do one eye first, completely finish it, and then the other eye. And with the eyes, it's important to just use a very gentle hand. The eye area is a bit delicate, so just use a very gentle hand while, you know, rubbing and massaging the oil in. Just make sure you get everything, your brows, your lashes. You can even go individually inside the lashes like this. And it's olive oil, so it's got to be good for hair. I just like to go in this circular motion, so I just feel like it's getting all of, you know, those stuck clumpy mascara or liner bits out. So you can see all of that eye product that is here, and it's time to do the other eye, and we do it in the exact same way. Next is the face. If you're in a hurry, you can just take all the oil in one go and massage the whole face, the eyes, lips, everything in one go. I just find that way a little bit messy, but I'm gonna be honest, I do it whenever I'm in a super duper rush. Taking some oil again, and first I just pat it like that. Massage. Don't forget the neck, because if you've applied makeup here, then just take that off as well. Again, cotton pad and just wipe it off. Now after all the makeup has been taken off, the next step is to ensure that the makeup doesn't cause any breakouts or anything of that sort. So for that, I like to use aloe vera gel. You can use any aloe vera gel you like, just make sure it is pure aloe vera gel. What I like about aloe vera gel is that if sometimes I've used a product which has not suited my skin, or which is just, you know, too heavy for the skin, aloe vera gel ensures that my skin doesn't break out after using this, or there are no pimples or rashes. You just need a little bit for the entire face. Just take some in your palm, apply it all over your skin like so. So I like to take a couple of minutes to massage this really, and then I just go and rinse this all off with water. So after rinsing and pat drying, your skin will feel and look very clean. It will not have any more makeup. But for a lot of people, including myself, the urge to use a face wash or something that foams is very much there. So at this point, I use a natural cleanser. What is this cleanser? It's very simple. It's just 2 ingredients, gram flour and rose water, and just mix it really well and start applying it to your skin. Gram flour is known for its natural cleansing properties, and so it is the best way to follow up this whole makeup removal routine. If you have the time, then you can even leave this on as a mask. At this point, you can leave this on your skin like a mask, or just wash it off. I will just be washing it off. That's what I do most of the days. On some days when I do have a few extra minutes, I do leave it on. But for now, I'm just washing it off. So this is what my skin feels and looks like after it's completely clean and using only natural ingredients. It is super duper effective. It takes off completely all makeup, and it also gives my skin that extra radiant glow. If you spend 5 to 10 minutes every night doing this, you will definitely see a difference in your skin texture. After this step, the only thing that I do is spray some rose water on my skin, and that's it. If it's the winter months, I do follow up with a moisturizer, but if it's summer months, then I think the aloe vera gel and the olive oil have given enough hydration to my skin. So make sure you try it and let me know what was your experience in the comment box down below. And if you want more such videos, then make sure you leave your requests as well. And that is it from me. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!